it. Drop it. Good girl. Fetch.
Nice. Okay.
Come here.
Take it off.
She was very close.
I know.
Come here.
Just throw it. Just throw it to mommy.
Just nudge it.
Yeah, kill it.
Look, she's just staying there.
Yeah, right there? Huh?
Just stay there.
I got that on tape too.
Come on, Papa.
Come here.
Chili Willy. Fetch.
Who is beautiful if not graceful? Yes, you are. You are.
Fetch. She tripped on herself before.
I know, and she's like, I meant to do that.
And then she's like, she comes again.
Hi. Okay. Good video.
Really soaked. She's like, the Chili Willy is completely
I know.
soaked.
Nothing but drool and teeth all over it. When she's on the white carpet, yeah. When she's on the floor, I can't see shit.
Because it's like, she's pretty dark.
She's like the predator.
Fetch!
Stay. Good girl. Okay. Come here.
She's getting tired, really.
Okay.
She's thinking.
Alright, movie star. That's it.